Monique Wright from Sunrise. Blonde bombshell. She's pretty hot, isn't she? I remember I think that's when she probably first impressed herself upon me well enough on Sunrise, but I've been watching her ever since, and I've had a massive crush on Monique. She's a cutie, is Monique. She's a bit of a spunk. But this is a bit of information on Monique from Wikipedia. Monique Wright was born on the 18th of May 1973, and I'm a 1972 boy, so she's just right. She's an Australian journalist and television presenter. Wright is currently the co-host of Weekend Sunrise. She's on at the moment, actually. It's Sunday morning, and that's Monday morning, actually. But I think she's on at the moment. It's all the coronavirus stuff going through. Now, career: Wright was the weather presenter on the Seven Network's national breakfast program Sunrise during 2007. On the 16th of December 2007, Monique stood down from her position as weather presenter on Sunrise for a role at 7 in 2008. In June 2013, Wright was announced as a co-host of a daily edition. She remained with the show until 2015. She was later replaced by Ryan Phelan. From August 2013 to February 2014, Monique temporarily replaced Samantha Armitage as co-host on Weekend Sunrise and was officially appointed co-host in February 2014. So she's been at Sunrise on and off for quite a while now. She's okay. She's got 3 children. She's married to a fellow called Tim Scanlon, and years active 2004 till present. So she was also reporting on the 2008 Olympic parade. Well, of course, she's done everything under the sun in her reporting days. But she's a cutie, isn't she, Australia? And, Goldilocks indeed.